Slush, who's unie? Tweebird, who's unie? There's no one named Unie.
Yes, it is.
You think that you know what Unie is? Who's Unie?
She's a rainbow unicorn.
Good one, Tweebird. Maybe there's no Unie. Watch our number 2 to see what happens.